si duermen tan separados.
My name is Captain Stewart, or Captain Stewart. Yeah! The crowd goes wild. 1939, it was placed on the National Historic Registry. And these 5 brass bells above the stage celebrate, of course. This is along the river for the lights. Be sure to get these lights coming and going there with your phones. It's gorgeous down here. I'll sing a little. I can tell you how lucky it is to get married on Marriage Island. True. So this is the Old Mill Crossing. This is where everybody crossed the river in the 18th. Big things sticking out from the top of the building up there. Those are called guardrails. And these creeks right there. So there was Riverside Water right here. Real cute. Marriages allegedly did not happen there. True. So this is the old trade offices for the U.S., Canada, and Mexico, originally built as a library in 1968. If you look behind